New Everbee discount codes to use. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few promo codes for Everbee.
So to get started, as of this month, there's an active code Everbee25 that gives you 25% off of your first 3 months. This code works on the growth and pro plans but not the free plan. To use it, go to your billing settings inside Everbee and click apply promo code. Another code making rounds is Sell More 2025, which offers 20% off the annual subscription. It's a great choice if you're planning long term usage. For students or side hustlers just starting out, Everbee occasionally drops 15% discount codes like Start15 through their email list or partner creators. So, keep an eye out on their YouTube affiliates. Make sure to double check the expiration dates as most codes are only valid for a few weeks. And don't forget, you can only use one code at a time. And that's a quick roundup of the newest Everbee discount codes to use right now.